Hey guys, this is the Potato 2000 and I just wanted to show you something on Minecraft. A tutorial on how to make a light switch is what I want to show you. You can do this on, what is it called? Survival mode. I just don't because it's hard to earn the material. My survival world I got like 60 pieces of leather and then got lost and died at home. And then I spawned somewhere else, not at my home, and I got really angry. So I did it with glass so that you could see it. You want to put a sticky piston on the bottom there, a redstone repeater, then you want to make any material right here, 3 blocks up, but the third block will be another sticky piston, redstone repeater, redstone going down, connecting to the other redstone repeater. And if you try it, it doesn't really work. What you're supposed to do before you try it is set the third thing, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Then so what you're supposed to do is flip the switch, the lever, flip it again, and if you flip it again it doesn't get it like you want. You're supposed to flip it really fast, like that, and it's down like that. So, do it one more time. And, yeah, that's really all I want to show you, but there's one more thing. If you saw my other episode, you didn't really see what I was going to show you, but there's this waterfall that comes down. This looks a ton better at night. Yeah, it goes like to there. And, yeah, if you are the first commenter, like you wrote the first comment on my video, I make the waterfall go down. Behind the waterfall will be signs. It would say your comment and your YouTube name. So please leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.